we're following breaking news as we come on air after former President Donald Trump was found guilty on 34 criminal charges in New York, with the verdict being read in the courtroom less than an hour ago. We're hearing from Donald Trump after he's been convicted of all 34 counts against him in his New York hush money trial. It looks like we don't have that sound. Would you mind going up a little bit for me? All right, so we will get that sound for you a little bit later on. The courtroom does say that Trump did stare at the jurors as the verdict was read. An appeal is expected. Sentencing has been set for July 11th. And our local political expert calling the guilty sentencing earth-shaking, Kent Redfield. He says the verdicts are unique because Donald Trump is a former president and a current presidential candidate. He tells us that the trial was the first of its kind, which is why so many people have questions about the trial and also what happens now that a verdict has been reached.
The most serious charges, then those are things that are felonies that can involve jail time. And that would be, you can also get, essentially probation. We've never had a president or former president, never had a presidential candidate convicted of a felony in the middle of an election.
Trump has 3 other criminal cases, including the documents case, the 2020 election case, and the Georgia election case. And just hearing some reaction from lawmakers around the area, we're going to head over first to the Illinois governor, J.B. Pritzker. He released a statement in regards to the jury finding Trump guilty on all 34 criminal charges. He said, quote, "Justice has been served after facing a jury of his peers. Donald Trump exposed as a liar and fraud that he is. Trump invaded the law to deceive voters, and today the law caught up with him. Donald Trump is a racist, a homophobe, a griefer, and a threat to this country. He can now add one more title to his list, a felon. But let me be clear, Donald Trump will never be 47. And also taking to Facebook, Congresswoman Mary Miller of Illinois, District 15, she released this statement on her social media page, saying, and quote, "I sat in this trial for a day, and it was a complete sham. The Democrat judge instructed the jury to find the President Trump guilty if only 4 out of 12 of them agreed on a crime. The anti-Trump witness admitted to lying under oath. The corrupt prosecutor was sent by Biden, the Biden DOJ."